Imagine waking up tomorrow and finding out an AI can do your job, faster, cheaper, without breaks. For millions of people, this isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. But here's the real twist. Losing your job to AI isn't just an economic problem, it's a psychological journey that your mind is forced to go through. In 2023, Goldman Sachs estimated that 300 million jobs worldwide could be automated by AI. White-collar jobs like paralegals, translators, writers, and customer service reps are already being replaced. Copywriters now compete with AI tools that generate ads in seconds. Law firms use AI to review contracts in hours instead of weeks. And here's the thing. This isn't just about losing income. Jobs are tied to our identity, self-worth, and social role. So what actually happens inside the mind when AI takes your work? Step 1. Shock. The identity crisis. Work gives structure to our days and meaning to our lives. Psychologists call this role identity. When that role disappears, people often feel invisible, as if part of their identity has been erased. Step 2. Stress. The brain in survival mode. Job loss activates the brain's amygdala, the fear center. Stress hormones spike, impairing memory, focus, even sleep. Instead of thinking about the future, the mind narrows to, how do I survive today? Creativity shrinks, even though innovation is needed most. Step 3. Helplessness. Giving up before trying. If people believe machines will always win, the brain falls into learned helplessness. Motivation drops. Energy disappears. A study on factory workers showed they began disengaging even before layoffs, simply because automation was taking over more tasks. Step 4. Reinvention. The brain's way forward. Here's the hopeful part. Our minds are not static, they're built for adaptation. Thanks to neuroplasticity, we can rewire. By learning new skills, reframing identity, and finding meaning in new roles, family, community, creativity, the brain regains stability and purpose. How to adapt before it's too late. Shift from replaceable to irreplaceable skills. AI is great at patterns and speed, but it struggles with empathy, complex leadership, and lived human creativity. Use AI as a partner, not a rival. Writers who use AI for brainstorming publish more, not less. Doctors who use AI for scans have more time for patient care. Redefine identity beyond jobs. Psychology shows resilience grows when we find meaning in multiple areas of life, not just in a paycheck. So yes, AI will take jobs. But the bigger risk isn't just economic collapse, it's psychological collapse. The journey looks like this: shock, stress, helplessness, reinvention. And the good news? Our brains are wired to adapt. By focusing on the skills only humans bring, we can not only survive this shift, we can thrive in it. If this video gave you something to think about, hit like, subscribe for more AI and psychology insights, and don't forget to share it with a friend who's also worried about the future of work.